Hi friends, good afternoon. I wanted to come at you with a little tutorial on how to keep your makeup brushes clean, free of germs, free of oil and bacteria, and overall just basic makeup buildup, really. I would assume that most of us use our makeup brushes at least once, maybe twice a day. So that's a lot of germs and just grime in our brushes. So it's important to keep these clean. I would suggest probably at least once, maybe twice a week, depending on how often you use them. And I just wanted to quickly show you how I clean mine and kind of what my routine is. I found these silicone, they're called cleaning mats, cleaning pads, or whichever, on Amazon. They're fabulous. They come in a pack of 2, and they are, you just kind of slip your fingers in the holes, scrub back and forth. It's a great way of to gently clean your brushes, kind of preserve their bristles. And at the very end, it's great to just do a little circular motion with these little small nibs in here, and the accordion grooves, I guess, if you would, to scrub back and forth. And again, so these are my favorite. It makes cleaning brushes super fast, effective, and they really are easy to keep clean, the pads anyway. Then I also use our Sweet Minerals Daily Essentials Cleanser. It's not only good for your face, but it's fabulous for your brushes. I have it. It's part of my skincare line, and so I just use this as for my brushes. It's a great alternative to, you know, buying something else that you need to keep within your cosmetic counter, or excuse me, your cosmetic cabinet. And then I always keep a little bit of clean, dry paper towel. I double it up for better absorbency. And then I also use the great Norwex anti-bac body washcloth. So I use those few things, and I will show you what I do. I just slip one of those cleaning pads onto my fingers. Warm water is always best. A little bit of cleaning soap, or excuse me, our cleanser. Doesn't take much. Get your brush wet and scrub. Again, it's going to get bubbly, it's going to get dirty. You want to just make sure you kind of keep scrubbing until those bubbles and the water that rinses off comes clean. Down at the nubs again, like I was telling you about, I just kind of do little circular motions to make sure I get inside those bristles really well. Back and forth. I'll take a little break and I'll rinse the pad off. I'll rinse the brush off. Okay, and then I'll go through again. I will make sure that there's no more soap, that the water comes clean, and I have a brush that's ready to be used again. One thing to keep in mind is it's imperative that you let these air dry. With that clean paper towel and that washcloth I was talking to you about, sometimes I just kind of take and squeeze, dry everything off. My clean washcloth, I just dab the bristles, and then I lay them out on the paper towel to air dry. I probably would not use this, your brushes, until at least probably, oh gosh, I think overnight. I usually scrub mine after at bedtime when I'm brushing my teeth. That way they're dry and ready to go in the morning. So I just leave them out on this paper towel, let them air dry, and they're beautiful and ready to go, good as new in the morning. Pretty simple. Take care of your brushes, ladies, and you'll have them for a long time, along with beautiful skin. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.